How would you explain RichBot to your grandma?
RichBot is a solution that can be used to find a needle in a haystack. What I mean is it can be used to discover security vulnerabilities in computer systems that can be taken advantage of by hackers.
What's the coolest thing you've seen RichBot do?
There are a few things I can think of, but one of the most interesting things that I've seen RichBot do is to detect API endpoints that were not meant to be made visible to everyone. These are APIs that were left behind by developers, and RichBot was able to discover them. And not only that, we also showed our customers that what happens when these APIs get invoked. In some cases, some sensitive data was being exposed as a result of invoking these APIs.
What sets Rich's approach apart from traditional pen testing tools?
So RichBot uses AI in order to think like a hacker. What that means is that RichBot launches a number of attacks, and then it learns from the findings of each of those attacks. And based on what information it learns from them, it decides what should be the next set of attacks to perform. So in that sense, we try to mimic how a hacker thinks and acts.
What's a recent win the team celebrated together?
Recently, we had a very interesting finding. We had an exploitable vulnerability discovered at a local government, a city in Northern California. This was on their website. So a couple of months ago, when similar test was done, there were no issues. There were no vulnerabilities that were discovered. So we were very happy that we were able to bring this to our customers' attention, because they realized the value of performing security validation on a continuous basis on their assets.